Lagang no ah.
Lagang.
Oo.
Good ball. Rebound no good. Rebound by Brian. Pass to Bennett. Bennett. Pass to Kurt. Back to Bennett. To Beans. 15 seconds to shoot. Beans 100. No good. Rebound by Brian sa ilalim. Block. Block by Demerin. Steal by Reyes. 11 minutes and 37 seconds to Ramos. Beans goes over hoop. Ramos, pull up J. No good pa rin. Rebound by Ellis. Pass to number 6 to no good. Rebound by. Rebound by number 27. 15 seconds to shoot. 3. No good. Rebound by Brian. 11 minutes and 11 seconds. Ramos to Kurt. Wait, Kurt. 15 seconds to shoot. Brian sa ilalim. No good. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Pass to number 6 to points. Number 6 2-0 in favor of Team Muscle. No good. Rebound by Brian. 15 seconds to shoot. To Reyes sa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Take 3. No good. Rebound by Elvis. Orogo. Pass to number 6, taking 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Na naman. Reyes. Reyes. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Brian sa ilalim. 2 points. Deadlock all 2. Brian. 10 minutes and 5. Steal by Ramos. 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 3-2. 1 undershot. 2 points. Beans Ramos. 4-2. In favor of Team Beans. Number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. To Demerin. Taking 3. 3. Demerin. Change favor. 5-4. In favor of Team Hustle. To Brian. Steal by Ellis. Ellis nagmamadali. Ellis on your play to Demerin. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Good ball. To Ramos. Ramos guarded by Ramos. Pick. 100 na naman. 2 points. Beats Ramos. Change favor. 6-5. 9 minutes exactly. To Ellis. No, hindi mo kay Boko. Boko. To Ramos. Ramos 1-on-1 race. Side stepping move. No good. Pero Ramos pa rin. 2 points. Beats Ramos. 8-5 in favor of Team Beans. 8 minutes and 42. Orogo sa ilalim. No good. 3-5. Reyes. Reyes na mamadali. Reyes. Crossover move. Reyes lumipad. 2 points. Beans Ramos. Kurt Reyes. And 5-point lead by Team Beans. To number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by Yagi. Yagi steal again by number 4. Side-stepping move. Wala pa rin dito by Brian. Brian. Nabababa ng bola. Brian. Steal by Ellis. 8 minutes exactly. Ellis, lumipad. Wala pa rin rebound ni Brian. Pass to Kenneth. Back to Kurt. All along taking 3. No good. Rebound kick. Ellis.
Asher.
To number 6 taking 3. 3.
Asher.
Asher. Salong. 10-8. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang. 15 seconds. Steal by number 4.
Si Renzel.
Renz. No good. Sayang. Rebound ni 16 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Long two. No good. Rebound Nino. Rebound ni Orogo. Pero out of bounds. Bola na. Kaya bola.
Elvis.
Bola ng Team Muscle. Oras, 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Score, 10-8. Lamang pa rin ng dalawa ang Team Beans. 10-8. Orogo, drop pass to number 4, Rex. 19 seconds to shoot, guarded by Kuya Beans. Pass to Demerit. Pass to 10 seconds to shoot, good ball. Rebound by Kenneth. Pass to Kurt. Kurt, lumipad. No good. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 40 seconds bago mag-change. Wala mo na naman. Deadlock all 10. Elvis Orogo. Deadlock all 10. Deadlock all 10. 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Ramos. Screen by Boko. Ramos. Pull up J. Is good. Vince Ramos. 12-10. What a screen out by Boko. Side step ni Rex. To Orogo. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Deadlock all 12. Last possession before change. Last possession na po. Brian, short jumper. Change score na po. Change score. Basket by Brian. 14-12 in favor of Team Beans. Team Beans. Labang na dalawa. 14-12. Emery, no good rebound by Brian. To Kenneth. To Beans. Kuya Beans. Dalawang mga matay. 18 seconds. Shoot. Steal by Orogo. Nauna na. Orogo. 2 points. Deadlock all 14. Pass to Kenneth. 19 seconds to shoot. Reyes taking 3. Kurt Reyes. 17-14. I shoot.
Apo. Yun. Tres.
President.
Oo.
3. Deadlock all 17. Deadlock all 17.
Asher.
3 by Asher. Salonga.
Sure ball yan si Asher.
5 minutes remaining on the first game. To Demerin. Demerin bumitaw sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Boko. To Sabrina Boy. Pass to Brian. Pass to Kurt. Kurt, yung lima si Kurt. Wala. Rebound ni Brian. 2 points. 19-17. Good ball. 19-17 in favor of Team Beans pa rin. Orogo. Kumapit ang katawan. Wala. Rebound ni Brian. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Kumapit ang katawan. 2 points. Beans Ramos. 21-17. Apat na po lamang ng Team Beans. Orogo. Pass to Asher. Press na naman. No good. Rebound by Brian. Pass to Kuya Beans. Kuya Beans. Umangga. Kuya Beans. 2 points na naman yan. Beans Ramos. 23-17. Mr. Basic. Ano play? Wala. Rebound ni Renz. 15 score. Crossover by Renz. Ano play na naman pero hindi nakuha. Sayang yun. Good ball. Good ball yan. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Reyes. Crossover din. Reyes lumipad din. Wala. Rebound by Renz. Renz. Orogo. 2-2. Binigay kay LB. Ellis. Wala. 3 minutes and 24. Ramos. Super shot. No good. Rebound ni Demerin. Pasa na naman. 2 points. Renz. 23-19. 3 minutes exactly. Out of bounds. Bola na. Team Muscle. Exactly 3 minutes. Good ball. Asher taking 3. Isa na lang ball lamang. 23-22. Bumawi na ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni Asher. Pass to Renz. 2 minutes and 40. Renz. 17 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Pwede Demery. Demery pala, no good. Rebound by Kuya Vince. Crossover move. Kuya Vince, lumamit ang katawan. Basic na basic. 25-22. Vince Ramos. 19 seconds shoot. No good. Rebound by Kenneth Sabrina. Nauna na si Kuya Vince. Top court yan. 2 points. Vince
Sabrina.
Ramos.
Ay, kaya pala bago ang shoes. Bago ang shoes eh.
Na-shoot?
Oo.
2 points. Elvis Sorogo. Last 2 minutes.
Kaya pala bago ang shoes.
Step back ni Brian. Patay. Nabutige. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Brian. Nagawa mo ng paraan. 1 minute and 37. No good. Rebound. Foul by jersey number 20. Score 29-24. Lamang ng 5. Ang Team Beans. Lamang ng 5. Team Beans. Tumira na naman ang tres. No good. Rebounding. Pass ng Kuya Beans. Kuya Beans ang pamadali. Kuya Beans, pinapatayan. Ni Elvis. Sinukat. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala drop pass. Wala pa rin rebound ni Demerin. Pass to... Ano mo? Asher. Asher ng likod. No good. Rebound ni Rebound ni Elvis. Pass to walang pasahan. 2 points. 29-26. Last 1 minute. Reyes goes over. Back to Brian. Lumipat si Brian. Wala pa rin. Brian pa rin. Kanino pa rin kaya? Kay Renz na yan. Renz. Alley play kaya? Binigay kay Orogo. Take 3. Deadlock all 29. Deadlock all 29. 30 seconds left. Kuya Vince, short jumper. 2 points. Vince Ramos, 31. 29. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. Shot lock off na po. 20 seconds. Shot lock off.
Parang nauulog.
Yung.
Yan.
20 seconds left. Shot lock off. 18 seconds. Steal by Renz. 15 seconds na lang. Shot lock off yan. 2 points. 9 seconds left. Deadlock on 31. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Pasok po.
And out the ball game.